Hello friends, today we'll learn how to install Jenkins. So Jenkins is a very popular tool if we talk about automation, building, deployment, the whole life cycle of CI/CD. So today we'll see how to install Jenkins and access the console page. So if you search in Google about Jenkins, you will get this web page of Jenkins. Just click on this and you will see a download section over here. Just click on download and you can select the OS. So currently I have CentOS VM image, so I'll select CentOS. And you can see these steps. These are the simple steps to install the Jenkins. So we'll start with it. Uh, I'm already in root terminal, so I'll just paste it directly. Okay, so it seems that the certificate has expired of this repo, so we'll just use this no check certificate option and it should download from repo. Yeah, next we'll run this command. It's done. Then we will execute our yum commands. So it will install Apple release that provides daemonize. Okay, so it seems that currently the yum lock is not available. Yeah, guys, so I killed that process which was taking the yum lock. So we are running the yum command again. So it's complete. Now we'll install the OpenJDK. Yes. This is complete. So now our final step, we'll install Jenkins. Yes. Meanwhile, it is getting installed. You can just click here, the installation guide for the post installation steps. Select Linux. Select your OS flavor. In our case, CentOS. And you will see the same steps. So I'll just reload my daemon after the Jenkins is installed. And then we would be able to open our Jenkins getting started page, which is a local host, which can be accessed from localhost port 8080. So we'll see that in a while. So it's almost done. It's complete. We'll reload our daemon service and now we'll start our Jenkins. Start Jenkins. Let us see the stages. Okay, so it's showing as active running. Now let's access the web page. It's the So yeah, now you can see it is getting started. So let's just wait once we get that page. So guys, after 1 minute we got our page. So for an initial admin password, we'll just cut this file. Here we have the initial admin password. We'll copy this. It's there. Continue for the setup. So here you will get two options, either install the suggested plugins or you can select. So we'll go with the install plugins. So here it will take around 5 or 10 minutes to install all these plugins which are required or which are basics for Jenkins for any DevOps activity. So we'll just wait once all plugin is installed. So guys, it took around 5 minutes and it is about to get over. Uh, Most of the plugins are about to get installed. It is about to finish. Yeah, it's so after this, we would get our next page to set up user and password for Jenkins consoles, which is not the initial admin password, but the user and the password through which you can log in later on to Jenkins. So we get an option to skip this, or else we can set up here only. So I'll just soon continue. I'll leave this URL as it is, or else you can replace with your hostname. So now we would be able to see our Jenkins homepage. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, this is the Jenkins homepage of the latest version. So we'll quickly check our user. Yeah, it is able to access. So you can start uh, using Jenkins like this. Thank you guys.